Hey guys, I'm back again. Gonna do a breakdown of the bike today. I already just pulled the bars off real quick, but there's a gas tank, got the pipe off, bars, seat, just a bunch of little stuff. I got the headlight up there, plastics. So basically, I checked my shipping. Frame should show up Monday. I'm gonna get this whole thing tore down. I don't know if I'll start cleaning it tonight or not, but get the whole thing tore down. I'm gonna get that new frame sandblasted and powder coated. I'm not really gonna go through the motor, but I'm gonna replace anything exterior wise that needs replaced. So yeah, here's the breakdown. Got the rear swing arm off. These shock bolts were in there super tight, and I'm guessing it's just all the dirt and they've probably been in there for a while. I don't know if anyone's ever replaced this shock, but yeah. Another thing I'm fighting up here is these threaded Phillips for the computer, or the coil is they're just in there super tight. I don't know why they use the Phillips, but they're also like super grimy and dirty, so I might try a little penetrating oil or something on there, but yeah, gonna keep at it. So I got the motor out, I got the forks off. They're just slid on there, so it wasn't a big deal, but and most importantly, I got that little coil off. Boom, there it is. So all I did was I stuck a screwdriver in there, and I just really didn't want to strip it, but I remembered I have a tool at work that I could use to get it out. All it is a Phillips that you smack with a hammer real hard while you're twisting, and when you smack it, it actually twists, and it almost acts like an impact. Well, I was like, well, I'll hold this up, I'll smack it with a hammer while keeping pressure on it. So I twisted this as hard as I could and smacked the end with the hammer, and sure enough, it came right out. So, yeah, I mean, it's 99% there. Just got to pull off foot pegs, brake, these little pads for the gas tank, and we are pretty much there. this stuff left, and it is just like grimy and greasy. If anyone's had a 2-stroke bike, then they know that if they leak anywhere, it's just a super sticky mess. So I'm gonna get the new frame in, hopefully Monday, along with the new forks. I'll do an unboxing on that, and then I think we're gonna mock these up, or at least do a quick test fit. And I'm just gonna double check, make sure everything fits right. If everything fits good, then I'm probably gonna get the rear swing arm. I don't know, I might do it gloss black, but the whole point is to restore it. So I'm gonna go back and look and see what the factory would have done. But so yeah, maybe black on the rear swing arm, I'm not sure. I'm gonna black out that sprocket cover, and then once I get the motor cleaned up, odds are I'm just gonna spray paint that with some high temp gloss black paint. And then I don't know if it's worth doing. That place that powder coats also does hot jack coating. I don't think it'd really be worth putting the money into doing my pipe, but I might just do a flat black high temp paint on that as well. So yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll give you an update hopefully on Monday when my parts come in. And stay tuned, I'm gonna have a lot more stuff other than pit bike stuff coming up. So make sure you watch my other videos, comment and subscribe. Thank you.